Welcome to our tutorial on how to back up photos from chat on WhatsApp on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open WhatsApp on your PC and navigate to the chat that contains the photos you want to back up. Next, click on the three-dot menu icon located at the top of the chat window. This will bring up a menu with various options for managing your chat. From the menu options, select More and then choose Export Chat. This action will initiate the process of exporting your chat data for backup. When prompted, choose to back up photos specifically. This selection ensures that all photos within the chat are included in the backup. Now, specify the location on your PC where you want to save the backup file containing the photos. Choose a secure and easily accessible location for your photo backup. By following these steps, you can efficiently back up photos from your WhatsApp chat on your PC, ensuring that your precious memories are securely stored and easily retrievable when needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of backing up photos from WhatsApp chats on your PC. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having your photos safely backed up for future reference.